What if I told you that the way you sleep tonight could be quietly aging your heart, your brain, and even stealing your independence? It sounds shocking, but new research from the National Institute on Aging shows that certain sleep positions increase your risk of stroke, memory loss, and chronic pain by more than 60%. And here's the part most seniors don't know. Millions of older adults are doing this every single night without realizing it. Tonight, I'm going to reveal the 4 worst sleep positions seniors should never use, and the 4 positions that can restore your energy, protect your heart, and even help you wake up feeling years younger. By the end of this video, your sleep will never be the same, and neither will your mornings. Before we dive in, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss another senior health tip designed just for you. If you're ready to sleep smarter tonight, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0, and let me know how I can help you sleep better. Mistake 1. Sleeping on your stomach, face down. It might feel cozy, your face into the pillow, arms tucked under. Many seniors, like Mr. Harold, 72, a retired carpenter from Ohio, swear it's the only way to fall asleep. He said, "It feels like my back relaxes," and for a while, it did. But here's the hidden danger. Sleeping on your stomach is quietly damaging your neck, spine, and even your breathing. Turning your head to one side for hours strains the neck muscles, pinches delicate nerves, and cuts off blood flow to the brain. Over time, this can lead to chronic stiffness, headaches, dizziness, and tingling in your hands and arms. And it doesn't stop there. Pressing your chest into the mattress limits lung expansion. Your diaphragm can't move freely, forcing shallow breathing all night. For seniors, that means less oxygen reaching the heart and brain. Fatigue, foggy thinking, and high blood pressure can silently creep in. The American Chiropractic Association calls stomach sleeping the most aging position for the spine. Dr. Emily Rodes, a geriatric sleep specialist, compares it to bending the same branch of a tree until it finally cracks. That's what happens to your vertebrae over time. So while it may feel cozy tonight, stomach sleeping steals comfort, energy, and health night after night. Mistake 2. Fetal position. Knees pulled to chest. Curling up like a baby seems natural and safe. Mrs. Eleanor, 68, from Michigan, slept in a tight fetal curl for decades. She said, "It feels safe, like I'm cradling myself to sleep." But over time, her cozy curl began restricting her body. The National Sleep Foundation explains that pulling your knees too close compresses your diaphragm and limits lung expansion, forcing shallow, rapid breathing. For seniors whose lungs are already less elastic, this can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even heart strain. Curling tightly also forces your spine into a C shape. Over years, spinal curvature worsens, posture shrinks, and balance suffers. Dr. Leonard Hayes, a spine specialist, warns, "For seniors, sleeping too curled up is like spending the night teaching your body to shrink." Eleanor's story is a warning. What feels safe tonight can silently rob your strength, breath, and balance. Mistake 3. Flat on your back. Soldier position. Lying flat on your back with arms at your side might seem like the ideal posture. Doctors once praised this as the healthiest sleep position. But for older adults, the reality is much more dangerous. Mr. Robert, 74, a veteran from Florida, slept this way all his life. Over time, his wife noticed loud snoring and pauses in his breathing. When diagnosed, he had severe obstructive sleep apnea, his airway collapsing up to 30 times per hour. Flat back sleeping can also worsen acid reflux. Without elevation, stomach acid creeps upward into the throat, burning the esophagus and disrupting sleep. Chronic reflux can even damage vocal cords and lungs. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine warns that untreated sleep apnea in seniors increases the risk of stroke, heart attack, and memory loss by more than 60%. Mr. Roberts' story shows that stillness can hide serious dangers. Mistake 4. Sleeping in a recliner every night. Many seniors turn to recliners for comfort. Mrs. Dorothy, 79, loved her recliner for hip pain. She could finally sleep, but her legs began swelling, back stiffened, and energy faded. Sleeping in a recliner keeps your body semi-upright, restricting blood flow to the legs, causing fluid retention, and in severe cases, deep vein thrombosis. The partially upright angle also prevents your spine from fully relaxing, weakening muscles in the hips and abdomen, increasing fall risk. Worse, this position limits deep sleep cycles, so even after 8 hours, the brain and muscles never fully restore. Dorothy returned to a regular bed after a doctor warned her. Prolonged recliner sleeping could shorten life expectancy. "I thought I was resting," she said, "but I was slowly shutting down." Now that we know the hidden dangers, let's talk about sleep positions that heal, restore energy, and protect your heart and spine. These are backed by science and thousands of senior success stories. Best position. 1. Supported side sleep. Pillow between knees. Lie on your left side, pillow between knees, head aligned with your spine. This simple change can transform your sleep. Mr. Allen, 71, had chronic lower back and hip pain. After slipping a pillow between his knees, within 2 weeks, morning stiffness reduced by nearly half. Side sleeping improves blood flow to the heart, reduces acid reflux, and balances the pelvis. The pillow keeps your spine aligned, minimizing twisting that causes joint inflammation. Doctors call this the alignment saver. Best position 2, elevated back sleep. Head and knees slightly raised. If lying flat triggers reflux or back pain, elevate your upper body about 30 degrees with a pillow under your knees. Mrs. Linda, 73, suffered from reflux and shortness of breath at night. Elevating her body helped her breathe easier, sleep without coughing, and experience deep sleep cycles. This position keeps airways open, reduces snoring and sleep apnea episodes, and eases pressure on the lumbar spine. Dr. Raymond Cho says, "It's not about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping smarter." Best position 3, starfish, back sleep with arms out. Lie on your back, arms relaxed, palms up, head supported with a contoured pillow. Miss Linda, 69, suffered neck and shoulder pain for years. Within a week of sleeping starfish style, she woke up without stiffness. Harvard studies show this posture improves blood flow, prevents nerve compression, reduces tension headaches, and supports calm breathing. Dr. Cole calls it nature's reset button for the upper body. Best position 4, 45-degree or side recline, senior sweet spot. Halfway between lying and sitting, spine neutral, arms and legs supported. This is the ultimate sleep position for seniors. Mr. Walter, 78, struggled with back pain, reflux, and breathlessness. After adjusting to a 45-degree or side recline with wedges and pillows, he slept deeply, woke pain-free, and enjoyed better memory and energy. Research shows this position reduces reflux by up to 70%, keeps airways open, improves spinal alignment, and enhances lymphatic drainage, critical for brain health and memory. Quick tips for better sleep night. These tips will help you sleep better and safer. Keep head and neck aligned. Pillow between knees for side sleeping. Slight elevation for reflux or breathing issues. Left side preferred for heart health. Avoid stomach sleeping and recliners. Sleep isn't just rest, it's your body's repair shop. Lie wrong, and your heart, brain, and spine quietly take damage. Sleep right, and you wake stronger, sharper, and more independent. Night, make one change: side sleep, pillow support, or gentle elevation. Your body will thank you tomorrow, and the day after, for years to come. Comment 1 if you're ready to sleep smarter tonight. Comment 0 if you need more guidance. I read every message. Like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Sleep well, live well, and take back your mornings.